Some wipes on the market contain ingredients which make them flammable or a cause for potential health risks. It is important to consider these concerns and check the product safety information located on the label or SDS prior to making your selection. Accelerated hydrogen peroxide based disinfectants are non-toxic, non-corrosive to skin, non-irritating to eyes, low in odor, have no added dyes or fragrances, carry HMIS ratings of all zeros, are rated Category 4, which is the lowest risk of all EPA toxicity categories, and are safe for use on common healthcare surfaces.